Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine aka Marisol, and within the series I want to teach you how to make basic Korean knots. But without further ado, let's get started with today's knot. Today's knot is called the 세벌매화매듭 or Triple-Plum-Blossom-Knot. To start off, I have prepared our practice string. This is just 2 pieces of 80 cm long string tied together at the top. The string that I'm using is called Braided nylon cord. It's 2 millimeters thick. This one is from Griffin. This is not sponsored in any way. It's just the one that I'm using right now, and you can find it linked in my description if you need it. To start off this knot, you want to take your practice string vertically and then take the left string, in my case that's the black string, and wrap it around your left index finger like this. If you wrap it like this, it should first go behind your finger, then once around it, and on the back of your hand, the rest of the string should come out like this. Don't make this too tight, there should be a bit of room over here. Then you take the string to your right, in my case that's the white string, and you form a big loop with this one and hold it in place over here. Then take the top section of that loop, wrap it once over your index finger. Please watch that it is left from the black loop. Then go around your middle finger, then around your index finger, again around your middle finger. If you need more, just pull down here. Once more around your index finger, and then lastly once more around your middle finger, like this. Now we have 4 loops up here. We're going to ignore the first one on the left, so this one. Pull up the other 3 a bit, so 2 white loops and 1 black loop. Take the black string and from the left side push it through all of those 3 loops. While doing this, try to not mess up the order of your loops. Can be a bit tricky the tighter you make your loops. Once you have it through there, put it underneath your white string. Then take off one of the loops from your middle finger and from the back go through there. And then once again through the 3 loops on top. Now comes a very similar step, only with 1 addition. This time you're gonna leave out the second loop and only pull up those 2 loops. Again, from the left side, put the black string through there. And now instead of going underneath the white string, you want to look at where you previously put your black string. Pull it out a bit to the side and just go right through that gap over here. Like this. Once you have that, once again, take off one of the loops of your middle finger and from the back, go through there with your black string. On this side, we will go through our black loop over here as well. So again, just pull it out a bit to the side and just move right through there. And finally, go through the 2 loops up here again. Now we're going to repeat the exact same progress. This time we'll ignore the 3rd loop and only go through the 4th loop. Take the black string, go through the loop. Then again, this time find the 2 loops where you previously pulled through your black string. Put your string through there. Take the last loop of your middle finger from the back, push the string through there. Then on this side as well, go through the 2 loops from the previous times, and finally through the black loop up here again. Then the knotting part is done, so pull out your left index finger. And now we need to find 3 loops on each side. 3 white ones on this one and 3 black ones on this one. So 1, 2, 3. And here also 1, 2, 3. Now I'll just start to pull that knot tight by pulling on all the loops at the same time. Then also on the top and bottom. Then I'll also pull a bit individually until it's very tight. Again, we still need to adjust this knot, so don't pull it so tight that you can't pull it apart anymore. Make sure that both sides are roughly even. Then we can start by adjusting the knot. Again, this is hard to explain, but we'll move from top to bottom through the knot and pull string into the knot through all of the loops until they're all the desired size that we want, and finally out here on the rest of the string. I'll just do that and be right back. And with that, congratulations, you have made a triple plum blossom knot or Se벌mä화매듭. What do you think? Was this easy? Was this hard? To be honest, the process is pretty much the same as the normal plum blossom knot. It's just that there are a few steps you need to repeat more often. So I hope this was easy to understand. I just think this knot is so fun to make since it looks so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, maybe give it a like or subscribe for more content coming up. If you're interested in getting Norigae or Norigae inspired items and you've just realized that making them yourself is not for you, that is of course totally valid. And if you'd like, you can check out my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description. See ya!